Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. Also welcome back to another segment of Cooking for Bay. So let's get started. So today I'll be making some buffalo shrimp potato. Right here you can see my shrimp. It's only for one serving, so I think this is eight or nine pieces of shrimp. I have my eggs back there, some panko and flour. I'm using 3 different kinds of hot sauces. I have a mango scotch bonnet, Frank's Red Hot, and Louisiana hot sauce. So now let's get started. So I'm going to start by seasoning up my dredging station. So to my flour, I have pepper. I'm adding some salt. To my eggs, I'm going to add some hot sauce. I'm going to use the Louisiana hot sauce for that. And that's it for the dredging station. I'm not going to season my shrimp yet because I'm not ready for it. And I don't want the salt to start breaking down my shrimp. Alright guys, so this is what you end up with. Put it all to the side. I'm going to actually put my egg mixture back in the refrigerator. My potato is already in the oven baking off. I'm using an Idaho potato, a big one. And yep. Alright guys, so now we're going to work on the buffalo sauce. I'm going to use my Frank's. You want to pour it down in there. I'm going to use about a half a cup of Frank's. However, always remember all ingredient measurements will be on my website and the link will be in my description box. I'm going to add my mango scotch bonnet. That was about 3 tablespoons. But again, I'm going to taste as I go. You're going to grate a large garlic clove down in here. I didn't chop it because I don't want pieces in my sauce. Like those big, you know. So I'm going to grate it down in here. Just a little added flavor. It's definitely optional. Okay. Then you're going to add some salt. Let me scrape this off the back. You don't want to miss any of that goodness. Make sure you check the back of your grater or your mandolin. Then you're going to add some salt. Mix it up, put it on the stove, and bring it to a simmer until it thickens. Well, it's already thick, but you want to heat it through for like a good 5-7 minutes. Alright guys, so this is my hot sauce mixture right here. I took it right off the stove. You're going to add a tablespoon of butter to that while it's still nice and hot. You're going to mix it in until the butter melts. I don't like cooking my butter down in here because then it becomes greasy. I just want that gloss and extra flavor. So you're going to mix it until it melts completely down. Put it to the side, and now we're going to fry the shrimp. Alright, so all I have on my shrimp here is salt, pepper, garlic powder, nice clean hands. You want to mix this up. Honestly, you don't even, well, I would suggest at least salt, but it's so much flavor packed in that sauce. You're going to go to your flour. I'm only going to do a couple so you guys can see what it looks like. You're going to go to your flour, shake off the excess. Go to your hot sauce, egg mixture, just like that. Get them nice and coated. I'm making gorilla fingers by doing this. I should use both my hands. Then you're going to go down in your panko right over there. You want to completely coat your shrimp. Let them chill out for 2 minutes before you fry them. When I come back, I will be at the stove and fry my shrimp up. Put them just like that. Let them chill out for 2 minutes. Alright guys, so I'm going to start frying up my shrimp. You could also pan fry these or shallow fry them or deep fry them if you feel like pulling out your deep fryer. And I'm only going to cook these up maybe a minute on each side, or basically until they're golden brown. Alright guys, so these are my shrimp right here. Look how they're nice and crispy. So now we're going to toss them in the buffalo sauce and top the potato. Alright, so you're just going to take some of your buffalo sauce and you're just going to pour it right over your shrimp. Right over the shrimp. Don't pour the whole thing at once because you don't want to kill it at the same time, but you really want to get it nice and coated. So you're going to toss it. If you have those pots and, bowl flipping moves, then go ahead, but I have to use a spoon. I don't have those skills yet. But yeah, look how, oh my God. Why do I have to be allergic? Why, Jesus? Why? Just why me? But yeah, I'm gonna plate this up and let you guys see what they look like. Alright guys, so I have my potato here. All I put down in there was some salt and pepper. There's already butter in the buffalo sauce. I didn't want to overdo it. You're gonna strategically, the best way you can, get as many shrimp on here as you can. I'm gonna pile this all the way high. Alright guys, I was able to get 5 shrimp on there. I think it's because of how I cut the potato, but that's fine. You're going to drizzle on some more of your buffalo sauce. Even if it gets down the sides, that's fine. Drizzle it right on there. I can't even tell y'all how delicious that buffalo sauce is. Like, then you're going to take your blue cheese crumbles. Yes, yes, absolutely, yes. As if we needed anything else. You're going to get your blue cheese crumbles and pile that right on top. I did make a little easy, simple salad. Just some lettuce, tomato, and cucumbers to go with this. But it doesn't really need anything. Y'all, look at this potato. Like, I can't even deal with how amazing this potato looks. Obviously, as you guys know, I'm allergic to shellfish, so I can't taste it. And my best friend in the whole wide world does not want to be on camera right now. So, I'll definitely let you know in the comments how he felt about the potato. But yeah, this is what it looks like. The shrimp is still nice and crispy. I still have shrimp left over. I was only able to fit 6 on there because, you know, when you add batter to something and fry it, it swells up. So, you know, I couldn't fit them all on there. So, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this easy, simple, because it was, buffalo shrimp potato. And I'll see you guys next time on my next video. Bye, guys.